This is the Dieux. This is a mini instant angel lipid rich facial moisturizer. So this was, no, I paid for this. I always have to remember. But what you're going to do, one, for these kind of ones, it's always very hard to, you're going to snap, and of course it's going to come out. And what you're going to get is some great ingredients. You're going to get lipid and ceramide complex. And it's going to have 4 essential lipids, and including a squalene, metasolide, and phytosteroids to deeply replenish and promote plump and hydrated skin. You're also going to get a peptide for smoothing, which will contain amino acids and for visibly smoother and wrinkle-free skin. This also has an advanced moisture complex. And if you didn't know too, with these little itty tubes, you just put the top, you flip it over, and you can just kind of put the top in. And that's how you're going to save it. But this has an instantly absorbing texture. As you can see too, it's making my skin visibly plumper and more hydrated. And this is a barrier repairing formula, which will kind of support the skin barrier and give you that hydration that you really want. So if you're looking for a way to skip up your skincare, this is what you want.